As the current ski season winds down, it's the perfect time to look back at how dramatically technology and fashion have reshaped the skiing experience over the past year. What was once a sport defined by wooden skis, heavy boots, and paper trail maps has evolved into a high-tech, data-driven adventure. From smart goggles and AI-powered coaching to sustainable gear and connected lift systems, skiing in 2025-2026 looked and felt very different from even 5 years ago. As we head into the next season, these innovations are only going to become more integrated, more accessible, and more exciting for skiers of all levels. One of the most noticeable changes this season was the widespread adoption of smart goggles and augmented reality displays. Brands like Oakley and Atomic introduced goggles with built-in heads-up displays that show real-time speed, navigation, weather conditions, and even friend locations on the mountain. These goggles use GPS and sensors to provide turn-by-turn directions on unfamiliar terrain and alert skiers to avalanche risks or changing snow conditions. For intermediate and advanced skiers, the data feedback helped improve technique dramatically. Many reported shaving seconds off their runs simply by seeing their line and speed visualized in real time. Next season, expect even more advanced AR features, including live coaching overlays that analyze your form and suggest immediate adjustments while you're still skiing. Wearable technology also transformed how skiers train and stay safe. Smart jackets and base layers with embedded sensors now track heart rate, body temperature, and fatigue levels throughout the day. These garments can send gentle vibrations or phone alerts when they detect dangerous drops in core temperature or signs of exhaustion. Avalanche beacons have become significantly smarter, with some models using AI to calculate the fastest rescue route and automatically notify ski patrol with your exact GPS coordinates. Helmets with built-in communication systems allowed groups to stay connected hands-free, making it easier for families and friends to ski together safely across large resorts. In the 2026-2027 season, we'll likely see even tighter integration between these wearables and ski apps, creating personalized daily risk assessments and performance reports. Lift and resort technology made the entire skiing day smoother and more efficient. Many major resorts rolled out RFID-enabled season passes and mobile apps that let skiers reserve parking, order food from the slopes, and skip lift lines through virtual queuing. Real-time snow reporting apps became far more accurate, using drone surveys and ground sensors to provide hyper-local updates on snow conditions, grooming status, and crowd levels. Some resorts even experimented with AI-powered snowmaking systems that automatically adjust based on temperature and humidity forecasts. Next year, expect more resorts to adopt contactless everything, from rental equipment checkout to heated boot dryers activated through your phone. Fashion and gear also saw major technological leaps. Sustainable materials became mainstream, with many brands launching high-performance jackets and pants made from recycled ocean plastics and plant-based insulation that perform as well as traditional synthetics. Heated clothing improved dramatically. Battery life extended significantly, and new models allow precise temperature control through smartphone apps. Lightweight, highly breathable shells now incorporate phase-change materials that adapt to your body heat, keeping you comfortable whether you're carving groomers or hiking for powder. Color trends this season leaned toward bold, high-visibility designs mixed with sleek matte blacks and deep earth tones. For next season, look for even more customizable gear, including 3D printed boot liners that perfectly match your foot shape and modular jackets that let you swap insulation layers based on conditions. Perhaps the most exciting development is how artificial intelligence is beginning to personalize the entire skiing experience. AI coaching apps analyze video from your helmet camera or smart goggles and provide detailed technique feedback after each run. Some systems can even suggest the best runs for your current skill level and energy based on real-time conditions. Beginner-friendly apps now use augmented reality to overlay turning instructions directly on the snow, making learning to ski feel more like playing a video game than traditional lessons. As we move into the 2026-2027 season, expect AI to become even more sophisticated, offering personalized training plans, injury prevention alerts, and social features that match you with skiing partners of similar ability and interests. The combination of these technologies is making skiing more accessible, safer, and more enjoyable than ever before. Beginners can learn faster with guided AR systems, while experts can push their limits with precise performance data. Families stay connected and safe through integrated communication tools, and everyone benefits from smarter snow reporting and resort operations. As the season ends and we look ahead, the future of skiing feels incredibly bright. Technology isn't replacing the pure joy of sliding down a mountain in fresh snow. It's enhancing it, making the experience more rewarding for everyone who steps onto the slopes. As you plan your trips for next winter, consider how these innovations can improve your own skiing experience. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned powder chaser, embracing the right technology while still cherishing the raw connection with nature will give you the best of both worlds. What technology excited you most this ski season? Or what are you hoping to see next year? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recap and prediction, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your skiing friends, and subscribe for more updates on how technology is changing outdoor sports. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the slopes next season.